Oh, it's going right away. Didn't even have a chance to check my audio. I mean, I've got no background music, so it doesn't really matter too much. Doesn't matter too much. I'm just gonna bring up thing on my phone real quick. Just so I can see comments, because why not? It's good to see comments sometimes. Okay. So, ooh, my computer does not like having both of these programs open at once. Ooh, my computer does not like this. OBS, can you maybe go away? Maybe that will make things better. And, oh, slightly better? No, okay, it does not like having OBS and Godot open at once. It's okay. I can go to Task Manager and tell it to do better. There we go. Now it's high. Priority, and it's not going at all. It's not liking this. Alright, well, we'll just deal with this for now. Jesus Christ. Alright, this is what I wanted to look at. This thing. I wanted to change the unlock condition for this. What even is the script that's attached to this? Ah, this. Yes, so where is the actual... Oh, being the key. Key collect, right? Great, my thing fell over. Okay, so... The current way to unlock this is probably not that. That'd be in Game Over Manager, wouldn't it? Because this is accessing save data. And save data is updated in the Game Over Manager. Here we go. Yeah, that is... Here we go. So if it's 0, but it's over 1,000, and you've already got the gate key. Oh, it's just that's just if it's spawned in. Don't actually need to collect it. I'll leave it like that. I thought I did that though. So I want to change this condition to something more enjoyable. Because right now, this is literally just, oh, you die with a certain amount of currency. That's really lame. So let's change this to... what's the lore of this? Because I've got lore now. So the lore of this thing is... Ooh, I know a fun condition. Okay. Yep, so a good challenge, I think, would be restricting the button. I think that would be a cool way to vary this. Clean gen button. Here we go. Here's the script for the button. Probably, yeah, okay. So if I change this, so it can only go up to a certain amount. What even is the maximum it can be? Is it 60? 10. 10 is the highest it can be. So let's make it so that you can't be higher than 5. Is that too cruel? Nah, it's not too cruel. On hold. So hypothetically, if you can frame perfect press it, you should be good, but no one's doing that. That's unrealistic. No one will ever do that. Let's add to my variable list to the welding presses. Just add a new variable. Pretty good. Oops, I scrolled way past it. Alright, so if this is higher than 10, it will do this, but I also want to check if it's higher than 5. It might have to be a separate one. Higher than 5.0, then... Ooh, wait, it actually should be a boolean, because it doesn't need to be a number. It's just got to be if you've gone over the limit or not. So, Goldine condition file. That's what I'll call it. That's a better name. Goldine condition file equals true if it ever goes higher than 5. I could nest this in here, but that's just less readable. Oops, I made a mistake. feel like it's more readable like this, so I'll just leave it like this. So now that's pretty simple condition. It can't go over 5. Now all I'm going to do is access it in here. Get rid of this. And I'm going to actually find the button. Where's the button? Ooh, it's right. Ooh, that's a nice spot for it. I like that. It's nice and easy to work with. Jesus Christ, it's a bit long. Is the button already here? It is. Nice. Okay. So generator button dot Golding condition fail. So if not Golding condition fail, and you've already gotten one key, and this key has not been grabbed yet, then the key now can spawn. Great. Does this need to be play tested? Probably. Probably should be play tested. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that over here, because I don't know what kind of files I'll click on. I want to click on something stupid. Go to my save data. It's gonna open on my main screen. There's my save data. Do you like my save data? Called it the law. Get rid of this. Be 0. So now, let's just do. Oh, will this even run with OBS or with OBS doing its thing? OBS might destroy my frame rate enough to not be able to run this. Let's find out. Let's find out. I mean, it could. I recorded it for the trailer, so it should be fine. But I might be eating my words there. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's really bad. What did I do? What did I do? Because that is... Oh, nothing. Sweet. Let's get the audio back. I'm actually going to put my audio on low. Just so it doesn't come through the microphone. Just put this... I'll leave it on 5. I'll just turn this down. My system settings. Here we go. Out of curiosity, is this playing? It is good. You can ever so slightly hear it. So... just to make sure, verify I don't have it. Yep, everything's locked. Oh, we're gonna change the info description, because that's terrible. Oh, geez, yeah, no, this is rough. I don't understand why I can't run this and record. I don't understand why recording just destroys my frame rate. Oh, but now it's fine. Great. So right now, the key should not be here. Good. Key's not here. Actually, this is not fine. Whatever. Just go with it. So hypothetically speaking, if I just do this, and then die, just kill myself. Oh wait, that's gonna take forever. Because I didn't clear all my bonuses. Whatever. Oh, Jesus Christ. OBS, come on, man. Alright, this is gonna take forever, because I didn't clear bonuses. But this is probably the quickest way to kill myself. Come on. You can die. There we go. Alright. So now let's check to see if I've got the key, and get rid of this so I can keep testing. Go. So how this works is the more you play the game, the higher this goes up. And you can kind of apply these to bonuses and stuff. Pretty neat. Is the key here? It is not. Okay, that's good. So now, let's just keep this low. Jeez, this is rough. This should be a lot quicker now. Now it should spawn the key in. Yes, the key is here. Okay. But there is one condition I do want to do. Because I don't really want the player to be able to do what I just did. which is just keep it low and then kill yourself. I don't really know if I want the player to be able to do that. That feels kind of too easy. Like, that's not a challenge. I want the player to actually survive the game like that. Which is why we have a survival timer. This is why we have a survival timer. So let's go to my, game over, right? Yeah, where's update save data? Here we go. So let's add on to this. The survival timer needs to be higher than a certain amount. I don't know. This is in seconds. Let's make it so you need to survive 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. Because these rounds in this can be pretty long. So I hope you can hear me fine. I have no idea what my voice volume's like. Probably fine. I don't know. These could be raised ever so slightly. But I'm not going to. So if it's 60 frames a second, then 10 times that would be 10 seconds. No, okay, wait, no, this is in seconds because it's delta time. 60 seconds is 1 minute, that would be 5 minutes. Which means 10 minutes would be this. Yep. Okay. So now I'm going to change the label, because the label's inaccurate. Right, it's key. What's something funny I could put here? Something vague. I need a vague comment. To mean to keep it low, to keep the moving slowly. So this is a vague one. Yeah, that's very vague. But I think it's fine. Is any of these other ones 2 lines long? Because I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I love my vague comments. Oh, it's a clean one. Nice. Nice. And now it's consistent. Right. This is my lore. Adding a glossary menu to have lore in the game. Pretty cool. What should I do next? Probably write some more of these. It's only the unlockables left to implement. Let's write one. To viewer. Yeah, okay. Let's write the EPP. Oh. Clear this for a sec. Okay. Energy production project. There we go. Ooh, it's gonna be too long. Ooh, it's too long. If I remove the. It's not too long if I remove the. Okay. Good to know. What kind of glossary stuff should I put here? The energy production project is the events that lead to the creation of pretty much everything bad. So, Tilted Incorporated, secret projects. See, I'm terrible at writing. Maybe I shouldn't do writing right now. I'm too tired for that. Today's not a writing kind of day. Today is more of a implement the unlock system type of day. Let's not put it here. Let's put this in like its own separate method. What should I name it? Cool. Plus 3 conditions. Yep. Sounds good to me. Check for 3 conditions. Great. These are unlocked with a certain amount of potential to stack dough. This right there. Do I want to use if statement? Yeah, let's use if statements. How many of these are there? There's like 12, right? 6, 12, 15. It's 15 of these. I've set the very last one to be 69,000 because it's funny. So, I think it's kind of not the last one because you kind of need that to get the glossary entry, but besides the point. That's besides the point. I'm going to turn myself off and being quieter now. Oh no. That's probably fine. What I need to change is my gate. The open threshold should be a little lower. Because I'm not being very loud. I might even turn this up slightly too. There we go. So there's going to be 15 of these in increments of... Well, it should probably end at 7,000, right? That'd be a logical thing. We get 7,000, you've gotten everything. If we did in intervals of 500, how many do I get there? I'm sure you could figure this out quickly in your head, but I'm tired. So, I'm doing it like this. 5,000, 4,000, 35,000. Hey, that's close. That's actually really close. Because I need 15. That's actually a really good way to separate it out. And I could just make one earlier. Like, I don't know, 100? It's just one unlocked at the start of the game. And you get them in increments of 500. Yeah, nice and clean. Now I just need to... I need to figure out a way to actually make these unlocks make sense. Might want a different save file for this. Nah. Debating a different save file. No, screw it. This is going to be very professional. Very professional. 13, 14, 15. Great. Haha, that's unused now. Oh, jeez. You know what? It's going to remain named that vaguely. I ain't putting that much effort in the names right now. I can rename it later if I really want to. Oh no, it's probably around 15. I can't count. Hey, it was exactly 15. Sweet. There we go. Now I need to make sure it's red. My massive long if statement, very well coded. So 1. There we go. Fantastic programming on my behalf. Now I paste this 15 times. Oh no, I accidentally pressed backspace. There we are. Pro tip, don't program like this. Just learn how to program. I didn't bother, so like, it's gonna stay like this for now. There's definitely better ways to do this, but I'm lazy. And I like the Control V. Control V is a cool keybind. There we go. I need like 3 more of these. There we go. Programming. I screwed up somewhere. If you have a 9, 9 is 9. If you have 10, 10 is 10. If you have 11, 11, 12. Yeah, I accidentally screwed that up. Oh, I screwed up a lot here. 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15. I accidentally pasted one too many times. As long as I didn't screw up too badly. Yeah, it looks about right. Good as I could want. Oh, wait, hang on. That might need to be an integer. I mean, it'd be very easy to fix, because I don't actually need to change anything to make it an integer. I just need to change this. 0, 0. Because, yeah, these gonna have multiple states. They're going to be locked, hidden, and unlocked. So that's 3 states, which means you can't use a Boolean variable. Okay, so now I go back to Camera Over Manager and begin my other massive long if statement, which people can judge me for. If this and save data dot sweet entry 1 smaller than something like this maybe. No, so hidden from unlocked, hidden to locked is a condition, it's a unique condition. Some of them even start off locked. This is different thing entirely. Because what I'm checking here isn't the state of the unlocks, it's how many unlocks you have. Yes, this is a different thing entirely. But I can just reuse this. That's cut content. It's not technically an audio log anymore, but we'll just keep the variable. So if you've got more than, oh, it should be more or equal to that. I mean, let's just do this for simplicity's sake. But then once you obtain 1, then this condition will fail. Move on to the next part, which would just be basically the exact same thing. Yeah, I think that's all I need to do. I think that will be it. Just check for how much of this you have, whether you've already got that many. Easy. Except I'd also need to have a second version of this for how many you've spent. Because your total count and how many you've gotten over the course of the game and how many you have right now should be 2 separate things. Yeah. I do need to create another variable. Might as well rename this while I'm here. Then available. Yeah. Alright, cool. Okay, so I could keep on doing this, but if I want to change something, that wouldn't be a good idea. I could also technically make this one really long condition because the outcome's the same in each one. But I think that's less readable, so I'm not going to do that. What I could do is I could use math to turn this into something shorter. So I don't have to copy and paste it that many times. Is higher than the amount you already have unlocked, which this is going to be, this is renamed. This is what I called it, right? I have memory loss. Total glossary unlocks, available glossary unlocks. So I don't call it entries, I just call it glossary. Yep. Equal to, get some math out here. Total glossary. So, let's figure out this math. Now the first one's an exception because it's not a pattern, but the other ones are a pattern. So, total glossary unlocks is equal to 2, then the requirement should be equal to 500, which means logically it should be about 250 multiplied by the total glossary unlocks, right? No. It is 500. It's just this is offset. So that way, if it's 2, we'll pretend it's 1, it will equal 500. If it's 3, we'll pretend it's 2, it will equal 2, it will equal 1000. Yeah, that's the math. But then I also need to create an exception for the first one. But that's easy enough. So 500 times that take 1. But only if you're not on 0 right now. And this could be one line. I know it's an error right now, I just got to think a bit. So what if this equals 1? Because that will equal 0, right? Ah, I'm an idiot. I don't need to make it by 1 because it starts off at 0. So this would be 1. This would be 0. Which means I don't even need to do that. I'm tired. I shouldn't be doing this. Alright. So with that, I can just toss this into the same statement. So if you have nothing unlocked, and you're at least 100, or it's however many you've unlocked multiplied by 500, or you have more than that, I mean, then this. So it's not called that. So once again, just a quick mental check. If it's 0, it will first do this. And check if it's over 100. If it's 1, this won't check. So this will check. So if it's over 500. If it's 2, once again, this will check. It's going to be over 1000, etc., etc. And yes, okay. So that does that. Great. So now I could implement the actual unlocking in these buttons. That would be the glossary entry select key. Yeah, okay, so the ID start at 0 to 1. That might be a problem with how to the save data. Got it. Set these to an array. Why did I not think of doing an array before? That sounds so obvious. So glossary entry. You make an array in Godot. It's just this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think that's all I need to do. Yeah. I'm just going to change this to filter entries. And I won't fix the save data. I mean, I could just do this. Freeze. There we go. Nice and inefficient. Just the way I do things. 2, 3, 4. Oops, that's not right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, this should only go up to 14 because it started at 0. Similarly, I have to do the same thing down here. See, if you're actually good at programming, then you don't need to do something like this. But I'm not. So long spaghetti code is what you're getting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good. Now that it's an array, this becomes a lot easier. Because that means I can access the save data, which for some reason I've only put in this one. Which I should really put in all these other ones. Okay, great. So now that I have the save data, all I've got to do is... Ooh, wait, is this 1 to 15? No. Okay. So in select, when you interact, yeah, that's just a size change thing. When you actually go over there, this is if it's successful. This is if it's unsuccessful. So the thing to do here would be to check if save data dot glossary entries of glossary ID is larger than 1, because 0 would be 1 would be locked, 2 would be that. Then it would be this whole success thing. So really, I just gotta put this down here. Because this can still be itself. The sound effect and stuff can all stay the same. No, I probably shouldn't. What's the sound effect I used for the upgrade panel? There we go, get my broadcast sound effect. Copy it over. Oh. Great. That sure is the sound effect. So, this is the sound effect that plays when it succeeds. So this should be in this. No, the better way to implement this would be to do this. You just change this depending on if it's successful or not. Yeah, so put it in here. If save data, and it should obviously be after save data is defined. Save data dot glossary entries of this current glossary ID is higher than 1, then select sound is this select sound. Otherwise, it's this sound. Let's get rid of that. I should make sure that the sound volumes I use for both those sound effects are the same. So that would be in the common upgrade button script that I did this. Is it the same sound? It is nice at the same volume. That makes things nice and easy. As for these are in the submenu, so I don't need to worry about it though. This is the only part where the locking actually matters. So right now everything should be locked. So if I open the game, which is undeniably going to be laggy because I had OBS over here. Oh, I screwed something up. Oh yeah, of course I did. I did this. That's in, ooh. What script is this? Text log button. Huh. Oh, yeah. Huh. Right, I forgot that was supposed to be in more button. I'm gonna do this. Might be other things that reference it too. Oh, this errored out. Oh, yeah, of course. That makes sense. Because this is the miscellaneous one. This is for the next button and back button, I believe. No, just select. It's for the exit button. That's it. In that case, it's just glossary ID 115 to do that. Size code shouldn't run. Pretty sure I can just do a condition that does both of these in one line. But I'm not sure how Godot handles that. There's a good chance it will. Like, I worry that if I put these in one line, it'll check both. Because checking this is the issue. I can't do this check. But I can do this. I can make this the default. And then check if it's less than 15. Then if it's this, then change it to the error sound. And then I don't worry about this because it's already be default set. Yep. Now it should be good. Unless there's other things referencing the test log button, which there isn't. Sweet. Now I should be able. Oh, what the hell? Huh? Is that not a thing? Huh. So it isn't. How did that make it this far? Surely that would have been an issue for a while now. I wonder why it's only now being an issue. Okay. Okay, so first things first. The exit button's still having problems here. I guess I just do the same thing I did before, right? But also notice another issue, that this didn't actually get updated. It stayed. That's why. Got it the wrong way around. Oops. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I don't know why I streamed this. I have to be quiet because my dad's sleeping out of the room. And I myself am getting tired. But I felt like streaming it, so whatever. No harm done, it's just a little boring. So that is the unlock system. Now pretty much done. Because I'm sure if I go into my save data now, and no, because I didn't have a way to unlock. It's gonna be tricky. Okay, not really. It's just gonna be this. But I've got to increase both of those. And put an extra check before this. Of course, your ID is less than this, then if it is locked. Okay. So I'm just gonna type this out. If glossary entries, if this glossary ID. Smaller than 2, and you clicked on it, smaller than 2. What you want to do is unlock. And then once this goes above 1, which it would now be after you've done this, then you'll be able to open it. So unlock would just be a pretty simple script, I think, a simple method. Where it's just data, glossary entries, glossary ID is now equal to 2. And then you write the save data. That's pretty simple. Get set to 2, now you can open it. While I'm here, I am going to reopen my save data just to see everything is in here correctly. I do not actually see the glossary. Probably because I haven't done anything to make it save yet. That's probably why. I reckon if I went into the options menu and messed around in there, it'll appear. Yep, here we go. Here's all the glossary stuff. Brilliant. So it's all 0. So where is my 2 biased lemons file? Here we go. So this is available, this is maximum. So one already happened. So let's set that to 1 as well. And you also have to drop this. So you can't unlock infinite stuff. And you also then have to change the purchase sound to the success one. Which also means that this sound effect that plays has to be after all of these conditions. Okay. So I should be able to only open one of these. Oh, then the game crapped itself. And because I made a typo. Oh, isn't that great? I love making typos. Okay, try again. Should only be able to open one of these. Oh, well, another one just got opened over top of it, but... no. I'm able to open as many of these as I want. That's it. Ooh, don't do that. That's gonna destroy my frame rate. Get out. Thank you. So what part did I screw up here? Oh, I forgot to actually make it check to see if I had any available. So it's just always done it. Which means if I go into my save data, that is probably now a negative number. If the negative number, then this is functional. If you have available glossary unlocks is any amount, then it will go, it will drop. Let's actually check my save data. Is it now a negative? Looking at 3 biased lemons. Yep, it's a negative number. Thought it would be. Now while I'm here, I should actually make sure that I don't have any of these open that shouldn't be opened. So that would be not in the entry select, in the entry viewer. Close all of that. And now I should... Ooh, wait, actually. No. Because I think I had them all unlocked from last time. So I've got to turn off all of my glossaries that are unlocked. So it would be 1, 2, and 3. Yep, which is good because that means it went to the correct place in the save data, which is a good sign. Okay, I can open one, but I cannot open a second. So I've unlocked one, not the other, which is good. I now have unlockables. I'm assuming that I've done this correctly, because I don't think I can run the game well enough while recording to actually test this right now. Actually, here I do. Because I don't need to play the game, because I've already got thousands. So right now, if I load up the game again, one of them should be locked. But if I play a run, kill myself, and then go back again, I should have one. Let's double check. Device is open still. This is still closed. So let's do another kill myself run. And now I should have one. Yep. And only one. Great. It's all functional. Fully functional. The game now has an unlock system. So, out of curiosity, how long have I been going at this for? An hour? Yeah, this is a late night stream, so an hour is pretty good for this, actually. I'm gonna close it off here. I don't know why I felt the need to stream this today, to be honest. I just felt like it, so I did. I expect actual videos on the game. That's hopefully better later, but for now, I'll see you next time.